This is the Leobog hi75. This is a 75% aluminum keyboard with a knob. Okay, so let's unbox it. Manual, welcoming thing, and the keyboard. Bam! Wow. Oh my gosh, this is a lot heavier than I thought. So there's a sticker. Oh, and an accessory box with a wire, coiled wire. Now the keyboard. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a aluminum keyboard with a gasket mount and two Leobog's gray wood switches, I think. Listen. Oh. There is nothing in the front part of the keyboard, the sides, and the back. That's pretty clean. There's, a Space Saturn, I guess. By the way, these are south-facing RGB, so there's no interference with cherry profile keycaps. Okay. And there's a magnet with I think the Leobog astronaut. And it's magnet, so you can switch the sides. You can just do like a normal magnet or with the astronaut. Oh. It is removable, but I am too weak. Oh, wait, I think I got it. Oh, whoa. So this knob has three parts, the bottom, the middle part, and the top with the Leobog logo on it. Let's open this. I've got my screwdriver, so let's open this.
1 hour later.
I can't. This is not that good. I'm sorry I can't open this because of the screwdriver problem. But let's put in the switches, the keycaps, and hear how it sounds. Whoa. These are linear switches from Leobog. The switches I'm using today is the Echo V3 Cream Blue Pro switches. By the way, these are not lubed, so yeah. By the way, these are 5-pin PCB, so any switch can go in. Also, I keep forgetting to mention things, but these are lubed stabilizers. Wow, nice. Finally. Oh my god. Wow. This is the same keycaps of my old keyboard, but I just switched it with the normal ones. Okay, let's go. Finally. So this is the Leobog hi75 and it's great. It sounds great. This is a good keyboard for someone who just started on keyboards and don't know anything about keyboards. Okay, typing test. Come on, let's go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed and you think that I should do more keyboard videos like this, please subscribe and leave a like down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.